Good day, welcome to Multinet Design. In the continuation of our auditorium design, the Tenerife that we were working on for a while. So if you're following us, we see the way we created all this from beginning and to arrive at this level. So we have developed all this based using simple method of sculpting in Revit, using every kind of modeling family activities. So in this particular project, which is going to be the last that will come in public, the remaining one when we are working on the interior system already be available and will be done through only people that are members of this channel. So but let us complete the whole exterior process for everyone here. So if you are interested in the interior condition, so you will be a member. What you just need to do is to click join member and become a member of this, and the link will be available for you to download all the file template and everything that concerns this building as the progress is continuing. So from here now, what we do is that I want to complete the whole exterior for this episode, and then I will call it for public view because of certain request that was made and because of the email that I received maybe from the original content creation. So I will not continue to make this available to public. So let's continue. So now what we do here, I want to close down this place and call it off for something reasonable. So what I do is that I will go back to the floor plan level 1. Okay, I think this is the way I find my own aspect. So all I'm going to do here is that I'll use wall. So click on the wall. So I'm going to draw this wall to cover up this place. Okay, so cover that. I'm going to do that on only one side. So while I go to this, where is it? I'm going to the other side of it. Okay, this is where I have. So what we do here is that I will extend it up. So you see that I have an issue with this. So what would I do? I will just come to east. So the east now, I will be able to do the. So from here, I just edit the profile, then use this to follow up the whole process one after the other. So I can just like say maybe there will be click to this. Yes, it is available. All I just need to do is to make sure that you see, so this one and then this one. So I'm going to do this and delete this particular one off. So I will see finish. So I'm going to change this from normal to just stop front. So let it change completely like that. So as it changed now, I will now work on how I will select all these things and change it to maybe transparency, or before I go to mirror it. So just click here now and see what I have. So now I have this place. This needs to have an entrance, but I will do that later, but not now. So how am I going to do that? I will just select this and say editing space. So what is it telling me? The system panel and everything, they are here. So what I want to do is that I want to change this mullion spacing and every other thing. So let me just say like 2500, because I want it to be more big, bogus and bigger. 2500. So that's what I'm going to do. So the mullion aspects, the empty panel system, vertical column and things like that are being selected to fix. Let me fix this one to a fixed distance as well. Okay, so this one is going to be just none. I don't want mullion, just want the line. Sorry, none, just none for the mullion one. So you can just check what will happen if you do it. So let's apply that. Can you see the spacing has been given and everything is. So I'm going to change this one to none as well. Apply this. So click OK. So the mullion will be. So do the same thing here. I do the same thing to everyone. So come down and select grid system exterior function panel contain vertical joint continuous. So can select say not defined. So click OK and see what will happen. So due to the change in parameter, the both common million become non type drive. Say OK. So what is there is that the Boolean has an issue. So it does not matter that whether you move or don't move. So what you do here, you can select this one and just like say tamper or slide the cross section of this, just if you want a little fall, a little bit of falling. But we are not doing that here now. We just want it to have a vertical orientation. So the spacing of this has been designed and assigned for that purpose. So what we will do next is that you click here and come to start elevation, and then you say mirror, and this is going to be mirrored completely. So you can go back to the 3D and see it from that angle, so you see it from the other side as well. So this has been selected and dedicated. So that is the whole part of which this is being taken for the design that we are talking about. Now whenever we want to do this, we have a lot of issue by the style of construction or things like that. You know, why this one is giving you double line is because of the material selection. So you can do that by doing editing. If you have the same problem with your own, you can do the same thing here as well. So just click here and say edit form. So click on edit form. The material, the graphics is where we come here. So just click on the graphics and choose. Just go here and just like clicking none and say okay. So I think that will be the complete solution view. So the none will remove the graphics, because when you are in the graphics you have those things in. So what we do here is that we want to cover up this space for the complete reference information, so that we know that we okay, we form this the way environment. Only what we need now is to develop the interior. So like I've said, the interior aspect is only meant for the member that will see through this one. So I'm going to be sending the link through the community tab and seeing it from the, since it's YouTube program completely. So what I want to do here is that I will first of all create. So I'm creating this. So I will flip it now. Let it flip toward this side. Then I will click go to section. So I'm going to drag the section up. You can imagine. So this is it. So I'm going to drag the section up. So this is where the sectional form are. So if you are drawing and following the step by step, you should have something listening to your whole in this way. So I will go back to level 5. I think for that I have here to focus my attention on. So what will I do? I'm still maintaining my wall system to do whatever I want to do. At this inner part, I'm not doing any sculpture. I just want to do it relevantly and align it to what it's supposed to align to. So you can just like move it close so that we have a close tag relationship with what we have on ground. So what I do is that I click on this and I will say just wall. Ordinary wall will do the work. So click here and draw the wall. It's your choice first, so you need to follow the whole idea. So what you do here is that you draw the wall to stop here, then you now go back to the elevation, the section what you are doing, so that you'll be able to match it together with what we are going to work with. So here is it. So what do you need to do is to work it so that we match together with what we have here. So now how do we do that? So click on the edit profile. So from the edit profile, now select this and say click on this one, the inner part. Then select this and click on this. So here now you just need to do a normal line. You don't need to do any design activities. So a normal line like that. So if you can just link this together, then do the needful here as well. And do the needful here. So what you do here, did this one and remove it. so they are of no importance for now. So when you go back there and you see it on 3D, go back to your 3D and see. Can you see? So that aspect has connected. So you have this connection here. So you can mirror this one now to the opposite side and it will give you what you need. So you can just like selecting it and look around. So you see what I'm saying now. So you click here and you say go to south elevation. From the south elevation, just click on mirror and you have what you need to have at that position. So go to 3D again and you see it in a position that so that's all we want to do on this channel. So the next episode, we are going to show the interior. We are not going to continue showing everything from here. So only for the member that will be seeing the continued progress of this work. So thanks for watching. We shall see you in our continuous design. God bless you.